Hello children. Today in this video we are going to talk about 3D and 2D shapes. These are solid shapes. The shapes that stick up are solid shapes. Flat shapes. The shapes that are flat on the table are flat shapes. Let's name the shapes. Circle, square, triangle, hexagon, pentagon. These all are flat shapes. Triangle. It has 1, 2, 3 sides and 3 corners. Triangle. Circle. Circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. It means no sides and no corners. This is a square. How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. Square. Pentagon. Let's count its sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides and 5 corners. Pentagon. Pentagon. Hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 corners. Hexagon. Hexagon. Now let's name the solid shapes. Cube, cone, cylinder, sphere. Let's look at these objects. Let's name the shape of the objects according to its sides and corners. How many sides does this phone has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a rectangle. How many sides does this sandwich has? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. It's a triangle. How about this wheel? Yes, it's a circle. No sides and no corners. Whee! What about this pretty frame? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 corners. Yes, it's a hexagon. No, we cannot roll this hexagon. It has many corners. Hey, before I go, let's review the solid shapes. Cube, cone, cylinder, sphere. And this one is a pyramid. Pyramid. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Like, share and subscribe.